You're in the UK, London, finally for this premiere. How are you feeling?
It's so great to be here. I mean, obviously we made the film here, so to share it with the Brits is really exciting.
Nice and cold as well, atmospheric.
Honestly, this is I feel right back at home. This is just like how it was when we were shooting.
So tell me about Emerald and why you wanted to work with her and what you wanted to bring to this with her.
Well, it's my third collaboration with Emerald, but my first time acting with her. Well, actually, technically second time acting with her since she has a very small role in Barbie as Midge, the pregnant Barbie. So technically we've acted, but as a director-actor dynamic, we haven't had that experience until this movie. And it was amazing. I mean, she's one of my favorite filmmakers and I think one of our generation's biggest talents. So I'd follow her anywhere.
What about Kathy? What did you want to bring to the screen that was different from what we've seen before?
Kathy is such an amazing character. A very emotionally charged and dynamic kind of character. I really enjoy playing characters who act on their impulses, and Kathy definitely is rarely considering the consequences of her actions, which is definitely a fun character to play.
Why should people run to the cinema to see this?
It's a visual feast, and it will leave you with an emotional hangover.